Good afternoon, Joe Victor with Allendale Incorporated closing commentary for Thursday, March 11th, and of course what we're finding more of today, and that is the corn-bean spread, and that is new crop beans versus new crop corn. That spread has been favoring pushing more into beans. I can tell you from firsthand knowledge going through Ames, Burlington, Iowa City, Davenport, or I should say Lincoln, Nebraska. Visited all those towns within the past couple of days, and of course, majority, 95% of the farmers telling me they're going to make more dollars per acre when it comes to corn. And of course, we did see that spread, that new crop bean and new crop corn. Finally, new crop beans coming back down. We're still about a 2.33 to 1, and of course, that is new beans versus a corn. On a corn, our stance right now is more bearish to old crop, and of course, that is mostly because of the USDA report. We're still bullish to the new crop, and of course, new crop, look at the price projections on the Allendale advisory, and again, it's going to be price projections for anything, for corn, soybeans, wheat, cattle, hogs. When you look at the price projections that are out there, we're still bullish on the corn, 450, 460 top side. 420 gets me excited about as far as hedging when it comes to the three-way box option strategy. Along with that, on the soybeans, trade the range, 913, I call it 915, 916 low, and a 963 high. And of course, that is still a tradable range in the May futures. Other contracts or other futures contracts, feel free to give us a call about that. And of course, for wheat, we're still more neutral bearish to the old crop wheat. And one spread you want to take a look at September Minneapolis wheat versus, and that is spring wheat. That is spring wheat primarily for the Dakotas, both North and South Dakota, as well as Minnesota, Montana. Take a look at that versus winter wheat that we've already planted. And of course, winter wheat, we know that the acreage is down. We know that the condition of the crop is relatively strong at this point in time. And of course, you want to take a look at that Minneapolis September versus July and take your pick, either Chicago Board of Trade or Kansas City Board of Trade. Get into the hogs, and of course, we sold a call, bearish stance there. And when it comes to cattle, more, again, this week, $92 cash. We figure a top in the cash market next week. Hedgers, be aware of that. And that, of course, is that the cash cattle looking for a top coming in part of next week. And of course, with it, also cotton. Cotton, we did break a 15-day moving average, even a shorter, more custom moving average that Allendale uses. And of course, one thing we look at is the cotton starting to slip. And of course, when it comes to the cotton acres, 10 million is about the top end of it. I know the USDA Outlook Forum was saying something like 10.5. It's not going to happen. They like the base appreciation for corn and soybeans. Also, get you involved, and that is the acreage survey, our 21st annual. We are going to have that going through at least till tomorrow, 4 o'clock. Automatic turnoff. Get involved, and of course we're going to release to you in the bearish, or as far as the results of that condition, that crop acreage survey. You're going to get the actual results of that survey sent to you on March 19th. USDA does not come out until the 31st of March. Make sure that you get involved by calling 800-2-MARKET. That's 1-800-262-7538. Fill out the easy-to-use form that's right on our website at the top end of the page. This is Joe Victor with Allendale Incorporated on March 11th for a Thursday with a closing commentary. Thank you and have a good day.